Hello friends, witches, wizards, and muggles. Welcome to this very magical craft corner. My name is Kara and I'm a library associate for the Dallas Public Library. And today I'll be showing you how to make your very own wand pencils. Here's everything you'll need for your craft today. Of course, you'll need your pencil to convert into a wand and a hot glue gun to design the handle of your wand, some brown paint, a paintbrush, a cup to place your pencil on as it's drying. Then when we're all done, we're going to cover it in Mod Podge. So the first thing you'll want to do, once your hot glue gun is ready, you're just going to take it and you're actually going to design a handle on the tip of your pencil. So once the glue has dried on your pencil, you're ready to paint. Drying usually doesn't take very long. You can usually pick it up, test it out, see if it feels pretty good. And I've already mixed up some paint here. I used brown and white, yellow, and red to make kind of more of a cedary look about it if we're going for a traditional brown wand. After a good 10 minutes, go ahead and layer a second coat of paint on there. So once your pencil has had adequate time to dry, you're going to cover it in Mod Podge or other sealant. Ta-da! Here's how they are when they finally look finished. And here's a more traditional kind of Hogwarts-esque wand. It's got a good grip there at the end and a cool design. And you can play with it and it's still functional. Again, I love making these for people of any age. If they really love Harry Potter or magic, it makes a really great gift. So if you end up making these, let the Dallas Public Library know. We want to see your results. So I hope you all have a really great day. See you next time. Bye.